Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this Wednesday morning, September 2nd Tiger Talk. I want to go over just where we stand as we are in day number 7 of our remote learning and kind of get an update of everything that's going on here at the high school and anything that I need to share thoughts and concerns from our staff to our students and parents, just so everybody's on the same page, and then also give a little update on our athletic seasons that will be coming up. So again, remote learning is in day 7, and we're having some great reports from our teachers and our students and parents about how well this is going. So I know there still are some issues out there in our community. Please do not hesitate to holler at us and ask us for questions if you are having any issues going through this. But just a reminder for all students, be sure you check your Google Classroom every single day. Every student, most students should have 7 Google Classrooms. That's for every class that you're enrolled in here at the high school. Be sure you check every one of those every day. You should have an assignment of some sort. You might not have anything to turn in that day, but you do have an assignment of some sort every single day. That could be a reading assignment, a lecture to listen to. There should be something for you to do every day, a video to watch. Be sure you check your student email. That's another big thing we're having. Be sure you check your student one. That's the one that goes stu.brec.kyschools.us. A lot of information is being shared with you through that email. So I know a lot of you have personal emails. Let's be sure we check these, our student email here at Brec County email as well. Again, work every day. One of the biggest things I've gotten from teachers after that first week, finding out that a lot of students are doing their schoolwork but are not turning it in. There is a button that you have to click once you complete your assignment that turns the assignment into the Google Classroom so your teacher can grade that. Make sure that you are clicking on that turn in link so that we can that assignment can be graded and posted. So just also a reminder too that grades are starting to appear in Infinite Campus. Be sure you go to check your Infinite Campus. You can go to Parent Portal. If you do not have your Parent Portal yet, you can go to our district website and sign up to receive Parent Portal. And that way you can keep up with your child's grades as they progress through this remote learning process. There is help out there for you. I know a lot of our students are utilizing our teachers that are available every day, 8 to 11, 12 to 3. Also, all of our teachers are available through a Google Hangout or a Google Meet for 1 hour every day. And students are utilizing that resource, so please encourage your student to do that. And students, if you haven't already, be sure you're using that resource. We do have after-school tutoring that's available from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. I've put the class code on here. It's 3TW7D2K. You can pause this video if you want to and write that down, and that'll be a way to get into the Google Classroom for after-school tutoring, and that will also be available through a Google Meet, and you can come on there and ask our teachers for advice, questions, concerns, any misconceptions you might be having with some work you're doing. They will be able to help you out. A big question we've got going on right now is our athletics and what is going to happen with that. That does start next week, as our soccer team will start on the road on Monday, September 7th at Grayson County. So there are plans in place. We do have to have all of our plans approved by our local health department and follow the guidance recommended by the Kentucky Department of Education, the Kentucky Health Department, our governor, and the KHAA. So there's a lot of things we have to have in store for that. They have broken down the athletic season, the fall season, into segments. So there's a segment 1, 2, and 3. We will start off in segment 1, which will have a lot of limitations on what we can have with crowd capacity, concessions, and just the sports in general. So I will be releasing that information tomorrow. I'll post it on our website and also make send it out on Send It and Facebook and Twitter so everybody has that information tomorrow. Again, just stay in touch with the high school. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Also sign up for our Send It off our website, and follow us on our website. Post information on our website every day of things that are going on here at the high school. So that wraps up our September 2nd Tiger Talk. Everyone out there, I'll leave you how we start every day here at the school. Everyone work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.